Aura frames are Wi-Fi connected digital photo frames that display your photos and videos without needing USB drives or memory cards. First, download the Aura Frames app from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. Unpack your frame and plug it into a power outlet. A 4-digit code will appear on the frame's display. Open the Aura Frames app and create a free account. The app will guide you through the setup process. Connect the frame to your Wi-Fi network. Most frames use 2.4 GHz networks, while Walden and Aspen models also support 5 GHz. Finally, give your frame a name for easy identification. This is especially helpful if you have multiple frames. Aura frames are designed for ease of use, making them perfect even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The setup process is straightforward and user-friendly. Aura frames offer free, unlimited cloud storage for all your photos and videos. This means you never have to worry about running out of space or managing storage limits. Adding photos to your Aura frame is simple and flexible. You can select photos directly from your phone's library, sync from iCloud, or connect with Google Photos for seamless integration. One of Aura's most loved features is family sharing. You can invite family members and friends to contribute their own photos to your frame from anywhere in the world. The frame automatically displays your uploaded photos, cycling through them beautifully. Use the intuitive touch bar on top of the frame to manually switch photos, access the menu, or adjust settings. Aura frames feature high-resolution displays that automatically adjust brightness based on ambient lighting. You can customize display duration and other settings through the mobile app for the perfect viewing experience. With unlimited storage, easy photo sharing, intuitive controls, and premium display quality, Aura frames transform how families stay connected through shared memories.